Okay, this is in my backyard. Can you hear the bird? Spring is spring. Look at these trees. Just don't measure the trees in my backyard. They're all in my backyard. Look at this honker. I am amazed. And that's still in my front yard right there. And there's a bigger one. There's the biggest one right here. Pay no attention, my dirty gutters are getting replaced. Look at that mojammer. Whoa. Isn't that, there's 3 big ones. It's amazing. Alright. That's nature. Bye.